Good day mga ka-crown, your pageant tita, Tita Ella. So they officially announced that Miss Grand International will be the one who's going to stage and organize the 74th Miss Universe pageant in Thailand. So, ano ang mga pros and cons? One pro siguro is we will expect a bigger and grandiose finale. Alam naman natin na sobrang ganda ng mga stage design and production numbers kapag Miss Grand International. Nung nagsisimula ang Miss Grand, alam naman natin na pinapattern nila yung kanilang production and kanilang finale sa Miss Universe. Pero recently, nagkaroon sila ng distinct and kakaiba. Umaangat ang stage, napakahabang rampahan, which are a lot of pageant fans are very much excited kasi mapapakita talaga ng bawat candidate ang pasarela nila. At kung matatandaan natin, last edition ng Miss Universe, walang evening gown presentation. Pinatayo, pinagalaw, yun lang. Good luck. And isa pa sa advantage ng Miss Grand International is napakaliwanag talaga ng stage. Ang daming pageant fans and sobrang bongga and ng production nila. Cons, alam naman natin na sinawat ang Miss Universe Thailand National Director. So for me, it's a conflict of interest. Pwedeng mapaboran yung kandidata ng Thailand, pero kung si Vina naman ang ipapadala nila, why not? Koronahan nyo na, go. So, mixed emotion, excitement dahil sa magiging bonggang production ng Miss Universe for this edition. Medyo kinakabahan kasi kahit sinong ipadala natin dyan, kung hindi talaga lulusot, hindi lulusot. And good luck sa mananalong Miss Universe Philippines. This is your pageant tita, Tita Ella.